When a homeowner searches AC repair near me or furnace not blowing heat, 93% click a business on page 1. If you're not there, you're invisible. Our HVAC SEO isn't generic. We optimize the real HVAC search intent: SEER ratings, tonnage, calculators, emergency service, seasonal tune-up, on-demand, and local service areas. Clients see 120 plus increases in organic calls and dominate the map pack in their zip codes. We fix what slows your rankings: weak content, the service pages, slow sites, missing schema, and low revenue velocity. If you want more booked jobs without paying per click, HVAC specific SEO is the engine. Let us put your business on page 1 where homeowners actually choose.